This 2023 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3014 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Wrigley Decor, Amarett Maple Glazed Hardwood interior, sleeps 6, stovetop burner, TV antenna, oven, Skylight, LP detector, TV, microwave, slideout, Colorado detector, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front living area, full wall slide, mid kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3014 is built on a Ford F-53 22000 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.